Are Nutra Neo Thyro Thrive Drops really the miracle thyroid support supplement they claim to be? Or just another overhyped product designed to drain your wallet? On paper, these drops promise to boost energy, improve metabolism, reduce fatigue, and balance hormones, all with just a few drops a day. And their website is full of glowing testimonials, flashy before and after images, and massive discounts that make it hard not to be intrigued. But digging deeper, the story starts to change. Many of the customer reviews are suspiciously generic. AI-generated images appear in promotional material, and claims like 92% of users report improved energy have no supporting evidence or clinical trials to back them up. While the marketing paints a picture of a powerful, science-backed supplement, in reality, Nutra Neo seems to rely heavily on psychological triggers and aggressive sales tactics, including a hidden subscription plan that automatically charges customers monthly, making it difficult to cancel without going through hoops. Independent reviews on platforms like Trustpilot tell a different story than the website, with complaints about side effects, lack of noticeable results, and frustration over billing. Additionally, the drops themselves appear to be generic formulations that are widely available on Chinese marketplaces at a fraction of the advertised price, which raises questions about the authenticity and quality of the product being sold under the Nutra Neo brand. Overall, while the drops are unlikely to cause serious harm if used responsibly, the hype and bold claims do not seem to match the reality, and potential buyers should approach cautiously, read fine print, and consider other verified options for thyroid support before committing to a subscription. This product demonstrates the gap between marketing promises and real-world results, and highlights the importance of research before trying any supplement.